Here is my review of this waterer. We have it in our chicken run for our chickens. We have it connected right into a barrel that we put a spout into that collects rainwater. I'll turn this on. You can see it filling up. It has done really well so far. Our chickens like to perch on it and poop in it, and we haven't had any issues with it so far. So it's been pretty nice. We didn't have too much of an issue with the connections. All right.
This is the automatic pet water, and I have been out here for at least 20 minutes trying to hook up a water bowl, which should not take 20 minutes. And as you can see, it's still not doing it right. They give you a lot of plumber's tape. They give you an extra adapter, which I've already been through that one. I've tried this one. They give you this hose to try as well, and this leaks like crazy. So disappointingly, because I love the shape and the shallowness of this bowl, it's not going to work. It is an endless water supply, but as long as you're considering water shooting out of cracks endless, so definitely not worth your time.